Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'll be doing an installation of these FORENNER LED lighting. I have a bunch of different bulbs for cars and stuff like that, LEDs. Super nice. If you guys are still running just regular bulbs in your vehicle, I can't really say enough good things about these. So it's pretty cool. It comes with some white little gloves for installation so you don't mess up anything. I believe the warranty and installation cards in there. But then we have the actual bulbs here. So these are basically just plug and play. Nice super bright LEDs on each side there. It has a little fan in here, which is cool. Keep your bulb from overheating. Some vents in the sides, also nice rubber seal here. So when we plug it in, it's not gonna get moisture in our light area. So just be plug and play. I'm gonna try to throw these in my Honda Civic there and see how they work. I got, yeah, if you guys haven't upgraded to LED, it's time. I put some in my Honda Odyssey and it was literally night and day difference. I had those old like yellow high beams in there. I put the LEDs in there. I could literally see twice as far. I'm super happy with this. I'm putting LEDs in all my vehicles and it's so much better. You can see so much better. So let's go ahead and go do an install on these, my friends. Okay, my friends, I've gained access to this bulb right here. I'm going to go ahead and switch this one out real quick. And you can see what that looks like right here. So once you have this out, you can just press right here, and that's just going to pop right out. And there's our old bulb. And now we can get our new one here. This one looks to be a lot better here. Okay, so we'll just plug it in. And this should be only one way it can plug in. So just like this, it's gonna snap into place. And then we're gonna try to get it up into the light housing there. All right, well, I just reached up in behind there and fed this through the hole, just like this. That goes just in there, just feed this through here. Okay, so here is a side-by-side comparison. You can see that one, the yellow. I didn't like it because we replaced the LEDs in the fronts here. And so they were nice bright color. And then the bottom ones weren't matching because they were not LEDs, so they were like this yellow color. Just looked kind of weird. I like them all matching. Plus, I think the LEDs, you can see right there on the fog light, it's probably easily twice as bright. So I thought this will look a lot better just in comparison. I'll do a night shot for you guys, and then we'll switch out the other bulb. But I'm super happy with these. Okay, now it's nighttime. You guys can tell the difference here. It's just so much brighter, better looking. All right. All right, so just approaching, you could just look at the difference there between the fog lights. Oh no, the fog lights are like brighter than his regular headlights now. That's crazy. Man, look on the ground there, the difference of the light on the ground. So let's get the other one plugged in there, guys. So we're changing out the fog lights on a 2018 Civic. And we just popped these out real quick. One was right here, and the other one was right here. And normally you would have a screw here, but mine was missing. So now that we have that out, we can just bend this portion. Just kind of pull that out. It should bend out. Just kind of grab it and bend it downward. Push it backwards towards that way. And just kind of bend it out of there. Easy does it, just kind of bend it down.
Yeah, heard you.
There we go. Alright, is there a screw? Oh, there's a screw there, yeah. Okay, so we need to take that screw out real quick. Okay, that's a 10 millimeter off the side there. Get another screw like that. Now you can bend it down. There we go. Now reach up in there and you should be able to feel the light bulb. Turn it. It'll be like bent that way and turn it so it's facing down. Okay, now that we've rotated that clockwise, pull it out of there. We kind of worked it around a little bit, and that pulls out the plug, and we'll get the new one. Okay, now that's just gonna plug right in there. There we go, and then we just put it back up into the bulb here. So it should just go right in there straight, and then rotate the opposite direction. Should go right in there, and then have that plug up facing towards the right. And then it should just turn to go lock into place. Should go pretty smooth right in there. There we go. Just kind of rotate it and it'll like kind of go into place. And then you turn it. It should be like straight. That like it'll look like that. There we go. That down or which way?
That is facing down.
Okay, all right. Now we just put the. All we gotta do is put that back into place. All right. So there they are right there. Quite a bit brighter looking than the actual headlights there. So that's pretty cool. All right, my friends, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.